Hi, I'm Chris.
And I'm Anton. We're both passionate about video.
And we'll be joining forces at UA Reloaded near Heidelberg to bring you a new video workshop on getting started in video creation.
Working in groups, you will learn and practice scripting and voice narration, recording screen and camera footage, and of course editing a video.
We'll guide you through the video creation process and give you tips and best practices we've learned in our years of experience making videos for user assistance.
So if you want to get started with video creation, improve your existing skill sets, and meet like-minded people, we invite you to come to UA Reloaded and join our workshop.
We hope to see you there.